My favorite thing about ACUTV is that we're telling a story, and we're telling ACU's story through the perspective of students and for students, and I think that's just a really unique experience.
To work at ACUTV is probably the best experience you will get in a college setting.
Being able to do it for football games like out here is like, for game days experience, it was awesome. Being able to see your shots and then being able to look back at it and saying like, wow, that was my shot, it was awesome.
So in my experience during basketball season was amazing. The work on the floor, getting to teach people, and then also getting to be right there with the basketball players. I couldn't compare it to anything I had done before.
ACU has given me so many opportunities that I would have never had at another school. As soon as I started my freshman year, I just dove straight into it. They let me technical direct for ESPN games. I started making features that were shown on ESPN.
This is something that almost no university in America can really offer to their students. To be able to go on air on ESPN and ESPN production for a college student is something that a lot of people don't even think is possible. But here at ACUTV, we're given that opportunity. We're given an opportunity to grow and just be able to experience an atmosphere unlike any of us have seen before.
For us to show that this campus is more than just football or more than just basketball is so important.
We're here for the campus. We're here to better the community and show that ACU has a lot of great things going on.
And something that I think is super exciting and really beneficial for the ACU community is we do everything. We have a little bit of something for everybody, and I think that that kind of just elevates in saying we're focused on everybody in community as a whole, and I think that that's really important, and ACUTV does a really good job of showing that.